Look at this.
All those years in the big city, we finally got out. We're living the dream.
Maybe it is a dream.
I want my money. 2 million. You pay in 2 weeks.
Then everything just blew up. Big flash, like a pink light. Or actually, I don't even know what color it was. It wasn't like any color I'd ever seen before.
You know what's gonna happen. You done all this already?
I need to talk to you. I got something wrong with me.
Reason for visit?
Taking care of business.
They want you to know something.
Leah, if you keep telling this story, everyone you love will die.
I know you're not lying when you say you're gonna kill this guy.